Hi guys, this is Patra speaking from FM20, and welcome to another tutorial of how to add graphic add-ons to Football Manager. Now we will look to the possibility how to change your profile picture. You normally go to your profile and then you see this 3D model which was generated from your picture at the starting of the game, where you edited your manager or created your manager. You can go also to this edit manager appearance button, then you see the manager itself, how he looks. You can now adjust if you want to change anything here and hit confirm. So to change your silhouette of the manager or the 3D model of him in the 3D game. But when you want to change this small picture which appears in the news or on your profile, you have also the possibility to change it to a real picture of you. How you will do it? Go to FM preferences, then in the general section, advanced general section, you see down below change profile picture. Hit select, go to your folder where you have your PNG file. It has to be minimum 180 pixels high and wide, and it has to be a PNG file, a transparent PNG file. Why? Because you don't want a background behind your picture. I have my stored at my desktop. I go to desktop. I saved it as an ID of my own. It's here. That's my picture, how I look like. Then you hit load, and you have to set interface untick use caching to decrease page loading time, and hit confirm. Tick this reload skin when confirming changes in preferences, and then hit confirm. When you do it so, as you already saw, your picture will be shown in your manager profile, and you see your own picture on every single panel of FM where it should be shown. As you can see, now I have my own picture for my own profile. If you liked us or this tutorial, hit the subscribe button on the left side. You can also watch other videos related to graphics or graphic add-ons to Football Manager which we met. Please subscribe us, hit the notification button that you always see the latest videos we have made. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great time by playing Football Manager. Goodbye.